Have you ever wondered how your eyes work and how different creatures experience the world around them? Vision is an incredible sense that helps humans and animals navigate their surroundings, find food, and stay safe. Our eyes gather light and send signals to our brains, allowing us to perceive color, depth, and motion. But not all eyes work the same way. Some animals see a broader range of colors than we do, while others perceive the world in shades of gray. In fact, while humans boast about their superior intellect, some birds can see ultraviolet light, making us look like amateurs in the vision department. Imagine being able to see patterns on flowers or secret messages on other animals that are completely invisible to us. Now that's a superpower. The magic behind human vision. Human eyes are intricate organs that take in light and translate it into the images we see. The process starts when light reflects off objects and enters our eyes through the pupil, the dark circular opening in the center of the eye. This light then passes through the lens, which focuses it onto the retina at the back of the eye. The retina is like a sophisticated, high-resolution camera sensor, but even fancier, because it's biological. It has over 120 million rod cells and about 6 million cone cells working nonstop to help us interpret the world. Our eyes are actually not that great at seeing things in complete darkness. So while we fumble in the dark trying to find a light switch, cats and owls are out there thriving in their night vision glory. Understanding the role of photoreceptors. The retina houses two main types of photoreceptors, rods and cones. Think of rods as night vision goggles and cones as the world's most advanced color filters. Rods help us see in low light conditions. They are highly sensitive to light, but do not detect color. That's why everything looks black and white when it's too dark. On the other hand, cones enable us to see colors. Most people have three types of cones, each specializing in detecting different wavelengths of light blue, red, and green. When these signals combine, we can see a full spectrum of colors. The brain is basically an artist, blending colors in real time, giving us the ability to see everything from a fiery sunset to the subtle shades of a peacock's feathers. But not all eyes are created equal. Some people, like those with color blindness, miss out on seeing certain colors because their cones don't pick up the full spectrum. So if your friend insists that your blue shirt is actually green, they might not just be fashionably confused. They could be colorblind. Why some people need glasses. Vision problems arise due to variations in eye shape, causing light to focus improperly on the retina. Nearsightedness, myopia, occurs when the eyeball is too long, making distant objects appear blurry, like trying to decipher road signs in an ancient language. Farsightedness, hyperopia, happens when the eyeball is too short, forcing people to hold books at arm's length to read. Astigmatism results from an unevenly shaped cornea, distorting vision at all distances, like looking through a funhouse mirror, but without the fun. Glasses or contact lenses correct these issues by adjusting how light enters the eye, ensuring it focuses correctly on the retina. Plus, let's be honest, glasses can also add an effortlessly cool and intellectual vibe. How do animals see the world? Humans aren't the only creatures with fascinating vision. Many animals have eyes specially adapted to their environments. Some see more colors than we do, while others rely on different senses more than their vision. If you think your eyesight is impressive, wait until you hear about mantis shrimp. These tiny sea creatures have a staggering 16 types of photoreceptor cones, compared to our measly 3. That means they can see a whole world of colors that we can't even imagine. If they had an Instagram account, their photos would probably be next-level psychedelic masterpieces. Color vision in animals. Not all animals see the same range of colors as humans. Some, like dogs and cats, perceive fewer colors because they have fewer types of cones in their eyes. They might see the world in shades of blue and yellow, rather than a full spectrum of hues. But before you feel too bad for them, remember that their night vision is far superior to ours. So while we're tripping over furniture in the dark, they're gracefully navigating the room like ninjas. On the other hand, some creatures see even more colors than we do. Birds, for example, have a special extra cone that detects ultraviolet light, which is invisible to humans. This ability helps them spot food, recognize mates, and distinguish between species. Many birds also have unique UV markings on their feathers that only other birds can see. It's like having a secret neon sign on their bodies that humans are completely blind to. Imagine walking into a room where everyone is flashing invisible high fives, and you're just standing there confused. That's how limited our human eyes are compared to birds. The super senses of birds. Birds have some of the most impressive vision in the animal kingdom. Not only can they see UV light, but their sharp eyesight helps them detect tiny movements from far away. Birds of prey, like eagles and hawks, can see small animals from high in the sky, allowing them to swoop down for a quick meal. If humans had vision as good as an eagle's, we'd be able to read street signs from miles away, no more missing exits on road trips. Another interesting fact is that UV vision helps birds identify which berries and fruits are ripe. Some fruits reflect UV light when they are ready to be eaten, making them easy for birds to spot. This means they never have to deal with the disappointment of biting into an unripe fruit. Lucky them. But that's not all. Birds also have a higher density of cone cells in their retinas, allowing them to see a broader spectrum of colors than humans. For example, pigeons are thought to be able to see millions of subtle color variations, making their world a vibrant kaleidoscope compared to ours. Additionally, birds like owls have tubular eyes that are packed with rod cells, giving them exceptional night vision. While we might stumble in the dark, owls can spot a mouse scurrying in near total darkness from over 100 feet away. And let's not forget about the incredible ability of some migratory birds, like the Arctic tern, which uses polarized light patterns in the sky to navigate thousands of miles during their annual journeys. Birds truly are the ultimate visual explorers of the natural world. How cameras mimic human eyes. Since our eyes capture images by gathering light and sending information to the brain, cameras function in a similar way. A camera lens focuses light onto a sensor, which then records the image. The better the lens and sensor, the clearer and more vibrant the image will be. Our pupils adjust to different lighting conditions, just like a camera's aperture. And while our eyes might struggle in dim lighting, modern cameras can capture crisp images even in the dark. Talk about an upgrade, bringing the world into focus. Even though vision varies widely between species, one thing remains the same: eyes are an essential tool for experiencing the world. Whether you wear glasses to correct your sight, see the world in vivid color, or rely on other senses more than vision, your unique way of perceiving the world makes life exciting. And with technology advancing every day, who knows? Maybe in the future, we'll all get access to UV vision, just like birds. Now that would be a sight to see. Imagine being able to see the hidden patterns on flowers that guide bees to nectar, or spotting the UV reflecting trails left by small animals in the wild. Scientists are already working on developing contact lenses that could give humans enhanced vision, including night vision and zoom capabilities. Meanwhile, advancements in bionic eyes are offering hope to those with vision impairments, allowing them to see shapes and light for the first time. And let's not forget about virtual reality soon. We might be able to see entirely new worlds without ever leaving our living rooms. The future of vision is bright, colorful, and full of possibilities. So whether you're a bird soaring through the sky or a human glued to your smartphone camera, one thing's for sure: the world is a fascinating place to see, and there's always more to discover. That's all for today's video. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. Who knows? Maybe the next time you tune in, we'll be uncovering the mysteries of X-ray vision. Until then, keep your eyes open and stay curious.